This video tutorial will show you how to set your notification settings. Click the down arrow next to your profile picture. Then select the gray profile button. Then select My Account. Next, select Community Notifications. Scroll down until you reach the Notification Settings section. Underneath the discussion email header, you will see a drop-down arrow. The first option is real time. That means you will receive an email every time someone posts a discussion or creates a library entry. Daily Digest means that you will receive one email that has all of the posts and library entries from the previous day, specific to this community. No email means that you won't receive an email notification when something happens within your community. Consolidated Daily Digest. This means that you will receive one email that has all of the posts and all of the library entries that have occurred the previous day. You could simply check the box. And Consolidated Weekly Digest means that you will receive one email a week, which tells you everything that happened in a particular community. So for this example, I will choose Daily Digest. And that is how you set your notification settings.